Hey guys, just starting the journey today. It started off very well with the fact that we arrived nice and early at 6 a.m. at the train station to find out that our train to London has been cancelled. So we're taking the next train. It's a bit slower and we do have to change train, but it will get us there about an hour later than we were originally planned. So this is Cardiff Station, which is the capital city of Wales where I live. And it's a very wet and miserable day here in Wales, but that's pretty normal. Cardiff is the wettest city in the United Kingdom, so we're quite used to our rain here in Cardiff. So yes, the plan for the day is I will be getting on this train now, heading to Bristol Temple Meads to change train to another train to head to London. So not quite the quick direct train at 6 a.m. that I had planned. Ooh. There you go. Talk about the cancellation.
Anybody travelling this way, please board the train on platform 1, the Warminster train, where you can change to Bristol Temple Meads.
I was just telling the vlog.
The Warminster train on platform 1, change to Bristol Temple Meads for connections to London Paddington.
There you go.
The Warminster train arrives at Bristol Temple Meads at 7:16, and the London Paddington train departs at 7:31 from Bristol Temple Meads. There
you go. You're hearing all of the facts. This is what it's like on a busy train station here in the UK. So yes, we'll head to Bristol Temple Meads, change to London. When we arrive in London, I will be heading for breakfast at a place called Leon, which is a nice little chain restaurant, but it's a chain of what they call healthy fast food in London. So it's not burgers and fries, it's more healthy organic breakfast stuff. So I'll see you there. So we're sat on the train waiting for the train to go. We've got 5 minutes to go. We've prepared for the travel. We have coffee. So for those who aren't aware, Costa is the British equivalent of a Starbucks. It's the chain that's everywhere in the British High Street. So we've got some nice canned versions of coffee, some smart water to make me smart, apparently, and some full breakfast biscuits, or as Americans would call them, cookies, but they're not cookies, you're wrong. But yes, it's a miserable day, but we sat on the train, it's nice and warm at least, so even if it's a longer journey, at least we'll be riding in comfort, and it's quite a nice train actually, for one of the local trains. So yeah, hopefully you can still hear me well without taking this mask off. Obviously travelling during the COVID-19 pandemic is a bit more unusual, but it's coming towards the end, restrictions are ending and things are opening up, hence the trip. So yeah, see you when we're moving. Ciao. So the drama continues. Not only was the 6:20 train to London cancelled and we put on a different slower train, we just got told that the next train to London from Bristol has also been cancelled. So when we get to Bristol, we have to get another train to another station and then get on a train there to London. Because it's never easy. Oh well, keep you updated. walk down here along the embankment or along Waterloo and find yourself a nice drink or a nice bite to eat. We did our quiz, our treasure hunt, the one by text message, and now we're going to do this one. The St Paul's and Smithfield London Quiz Trail by quiztrails.co.uk, which can be downloaded and printed for free, so it's really good. It's about a 2-hour quiz, quiz, treasure hunt. It starts right here at St Paul's Cathedral. So we're going to start that now. To prehistoric animals at the Natural History Museum in South Kensington. Here is the opportunity to see dinosaurs, relics, animals, anthropology, everything you can imagine about natural history you'll find here. And best part, it's completely free. Before arriving at the Natural History Museum, please do check the website. When we visited in summer 2021, we needed to pre-book our arrival due to the COVID restrictions, so do make sure that if you do need to pre-book, that you do so. Now, no visit to London is complete without dinner, and Hugh, he wanted to have the most dirty American burger he could find, and here we are, finishing our evening. What a lovely view. And over there, that's Elizabeth Tower, holding the bell Big Ben. Thanks guys, and see you soon.